Guys, welcome to my morning vlog. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and here I am getting ready my son's lunchbox. Today he would like to have some simple snacks like roasted makhana. So here I am roasting makhana in air fryer. Let's preheat the air fryer. Here I am adding makhana as per the requirement. One or two tablespoons of clarified butter, that is ghee. Some salt to taste. Mix again. Some black pepper as per your preference. Some amchur. Let's mix everything together. I am putting this on top so that makhana does not get stuck to the coil. Let's air fry it now. I try to give some dry fruit so that he will get enough nutrition in the morning. Let's check our makhana. Still we need to give it some time. Meanwhile, I'll add rizzo in my son's milk. He loves this protein mix. It's a super milk which is very good for kids' health. Are almost done. Let's take it out. We need to be very careful because the tray is very hot. Here I am adding some chili powder. I always like to add chili powder at last so that it does not get burned. The final mix. Let's take it out in one container. Our healthy and tasty makhanas are ready. You can hear the crunch. Let's add in the lunchbox. I am sprinkling little bit of chaat masala for the extra taste. So that's it. My son's lunchbox is ready. Simple, tasty and healthy. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for such more contents.